I'm sorry, my phone cut off. But yeah, I think I left off with the shampoo that I use for this hair. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. It's sulfate free. This is the shampoo that I use. Followed by this Suave Keratin. This is the Color Care conditioner because, like I said in the first video, my hair wasn't really a 1. It was more of a 2, and I dyed it, so I didn't want it to mess up. I also use this coconut milk conditioner. It's very, very good, and it smells great. Yeah, it is great, 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 great. And I sometimes use this Cream of Nature conditioner. So yeah, it's a lot of things that I use on this hair. It's not all together, but just to keep it pretty. So gorgeous. You can see all the nice waves. And I curled the front part. But that was the only thing. I'm going to be straightening this hair very soon. Maybe next week, just to see and wet it back and see if it comes back exactly like it is now. So please stay tuned and subscribe to me, please. Thanks. Bye.